Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix iPhone keep restarting by itself. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many software glitches. For that you have to just simply open settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. So guys, shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then again open settings and then tap on general and then tap on software update, and from here guys you have to make sure that there is no update. If there is update available, then you have to just simply update your iPhone and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. For that you have to just simply press and hold the volume up and volume down button and press the volume and power button until the Apple logo appears, and after that force restart your device for one time and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then the other solution is open settings again. From here guys you have to just simply tap on general and from here guys scroll down and here simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap here reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all settings for one time. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you are still facing the issue, then you have to just simply visit your Apple store for further information, because it will be some hardware issue. So guys, visit Apple store and fix your problem by visiting your Apple store. So guys, hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.